Hey guys, and welcome to Math Channel. Subscribe to our channel for more. 50 divided by 5 times 5 plus 5 in parentheses. 5 plus 5 gives us 10. 10 times 5 gives us 50. Now 50 divided by 50 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we know that we have to solve this expression in this way. First parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and addition and subtraction have equal priority too. So according to the PEMDAS, we have to start with these parentheses in first step, not this multiplication and this division. If we do this multiplication and this division first, it is wrong. So 5 plus 5 gives us 10. Let's rewrite the expression. We have 50 divided by 5 times 10. Now we have one division and one multiplication, and as we know, multiplication and division have equal priority, so we have to work from left to right. Now we have to start with this division, not this multiplication. 50 divided by 5 gives us 10. At the end we have 10 times 10. So our final answer to this expression is 100. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.